2020 was an unprecedented year for Newmont. It was one of the company's best in terms of safety, operational and financial performance, resulting in industry-leading returns for shareholders despite the global pandemic. As the world continues to face the global pandemic, Newmont remains committed to putting what is most important first: the health and well-being of our workforce and host communities. We now have the opportunity to start to return to a healthier and more stable world. Early research in countries that have vaccinated large numbers of their population are positive, and we believe that the vaccine is an important part of fighting this pandemic. We will partner with governments, authorities close to our operations through the Community Support Fund to enable rapid and efficient vaccination programs for families and communities to reduce the spread. Health and safety underpins everything we do. To improve on our strong 2020 performance, we continue to embed fatality risk management by having a sharp focus on in-field conversations and verifying the controls are in place. Shifting to our operational financial performance, in the first quarter of 2021, we produced 1.5 million ounces of gold and a further 317,000 gold equivalent ounces. We generated $840 million in operating cash flow and $442 million in free cash flow. We achieved adjusted EBITDA of $1.5 billion for Q1. Newmont declared a quarterly dividend of 55 cents per share, consistent with our prior quarterly dividend. Since early 2019, Newmont has returned more than $3.2 billion to shareholders through dividends and share buybacks. In the first quarter, despite the prolonged COVID-19 pandemic, Newmont continued to progress on key projects, including first production from the autonomous haulage fleet at the Boddington mine in Australia. We also completed construction and commissioned a new emulsion plant at Merian in Suriname, which will help the site reduce overhead and increase productivity. And finally, we announced the acquisition of GT Gold, an exploration project in the highly sought-after, mineral-rich Golden Triangle in British Columbia. At Newmont, we believe that strong ESG performance is the foundation of a sustainably well-run business. During the first quarter, we took an industry-leading step and announced a $3 billion sustainability-linked revolving credit facility. This facility includes pricing features based on our sustainability performance. By aligning our financial performance with our ESG performance, we are transparently holding ourselves to account. Newmont is celebrating its 100th anniversary in 2021. This milestone provides the company with opportunity to reflect on our strong history as we look to the future, as we build value and deliver on our purpose to create value and improve lives through sustainable and responsible mining.